As a system supplier for e-mobility, we take on the full engineering, prototyping, testing and manufacturing of e-mobility systems. And with our engineering hubs in Germany, China and the US, we offer these services worldwide.
We support you with cost-effective solutions for your electric vehicles, thanks to our modular and pre-integrated systems. We provide our services for our front and rear integrated e-chassis modules, for our modular battery pack and our platform solutions.
Regardless of what development stage you are in, we have the products, the services, the applications and the people to make your e-mobility solution happen. We help accelerate your business. Get in touch here.